Having accurate visibility of inventory levels and stock movements is vital for the success of many businesses. Automatically tracking parts, inventory, and returnable transport items helps increase efficiency, cut costs, and eliminate shipping errors. The RFiD Discovery table is ideal for packing stations to provide automatic order verification. With the ability to scan up to 200 items per second, the RFiD table automatically detects items as they are added. A green light confirms correct items. A red light or audible signal warns if a wrong item is added. And blue light confirms when all items from the pack list have been detected. During shipment compilation, the conveyor portal automatically checks items as they are loaded. With the ability to scan hundreds of items per minute, it confirms the presence of correct items. A red light warns if incorrect items are detected. Once all items on the packing list have been added, it validates that the shipment is complete. To ensure the right shipments leave your facility, RFiD Discovery's dock door portal checks products against a shipping list as they are loaded onto your trucks. It warns if incorrect items are loaded. Once the last item has been added, a blue light confirms that the shipment is complete. RFiD Discovery solutions can revolutionize your processes from inventory management to picking.